What's up, traders? This is Trader A, just doing a little Sunday review, trying to figure out how I am going to approach the markets this week, looking for edge, looking for just more ways to obtain confluence, and also using the multiple time frame analysis. So just going over my NinjaTrader market replay. I think this is the 27th. It's around 2:30 p.m. on the market replay. And you notice I have my 1 minute up, 5-minute chart, and a 15-minute chart. So, and just looking at what these charts are doing right now, the 1 minute looks like it's approaching the 5-minute goal line on the 1 minute time frame. Now, this on the 5-minute chart, and I think I have here, what I have here is a 200 simple moving average. So that's just something I keep on my chart, but that's where it is. Price is already above all of the moving averages that we usually use with Bob Anderson's strategy. Price is already above the 5-minute red line as well as the 5-minute goal line. Here's the 1 minute 21 moving average, and I think I need to put on here the 1 minute 9 moving average. So let me just put that on here. EMA at 9, and that should be gold. That's the way Bob does it. So let's just put that on there. Okay, so look, actually it's right there approaching this, the 1 minute goal line. So in Bob's strategy, it looks like, we had made a new high on the 5-minute, and we're kind of coming down back to the 1 minute goal line. It's not a perfectly smooth pullback, but, maybe it would make you think, okay, where we're going to go back up, perhaps. And even here on the 1 minute, looking at how it's approaching the 5-minute goal line, maybe we're looking for a move to the upside. But here on the 15-minute chart, we actually have this huge bar that penetrates both the overnight open as well as the 5-minute red line. And these are my same 5-minute red lines inputs that I had from the 1 minute chart. So yes, it's a 15-minute chart, but like if you look at this, if I open it up in properties, just so you're clear, it still has the 105 period. That's what, I've used. So that's what it is. It's the same 5-minute red line that I would have input on my 1 minute chart. So I'm just going to go ahead and start it and see what we have here. So with this one, it looks like it's going down. So I'm going to go ahead and put a sale right there and see what happens. Just looking at this, we have a full penetration here. The next bar looks like we're coming lower. So, I just went ahead and put my entry right on the 15-minute chart. It sets it across the other charts too. Let me see if I can get it on the 1 minute chart trader. Okay. I don't know why it didn't go here. Okay, so if you look here on the 1 minute chart, it does look like we're going up. So but I'm going to go off the higher time frame because that's the whole reason why I'm using the higher time frame. Now, mind you, my stop would have to be up here. That may be quite a bit of risk. Let me just see what it would be. Oh yeah, that's a lot of risk. This might be something I should be doing on the micros, because going to a higher time frame, then of course you might be looking at more risk. So let's just see what happens. Okay. So, but basically, based on the 1 minute, you might be looking at a long, but just looking at this based on the 15 minute, you might be looking at a short. Now, this is just the way I'm reading the market. I don't, you know, really have any experience with this. I'm just sharing my journey, sharing this practical exercise that I'm trying to do. I'm going to have to take my stop up. I'm going to at least put it here above the open of this candle, this entry bar candle. This here is still looking bullish on the 1 minute chart. Even so much on the 5 minute chart. But because I'm using multiple time frame analysis, I am going to go with my higher time frame, which is a 15-minute chart. So my entry, at least I tried to make my entry 1 tick below this signal bar. And I think I did get it below the signal bar. Taking quite a bit of heat on this trade. I mean, technically my stop really should be here. But I'm just putting it here. Yeah, I would definitely have to figure out something with this, because don't know that I would be comfortable with this large of a stop. Even before the summer, my stop was usually at 10 ticks. So I would have been stopped out of this trade for certain. Now, obviously, I had to move my target down because I wouldn't risk 275 or 250. Let's try to get that 2 to 1 at least. Now let's see if the 5-minute red line is going to dominate the 5-minute gold line. See if we're going to go through there. Okay, I think at this point I will go ahead and move my stop to break even. See, we have quite a while before this 15-minute bar closes. Uh-oh, what have I done? All right, I think I'm gonna I think this is going to work, but I don't think I'm going to be able to leave it at break even for a 15-minute bar. I guess I really should have gotten out here. At this 5-minute goal line. That should have been the first target. Uh-oh. Well, I knocked myself out. Okay. Well, so there we go. So again, only thing I did is just use the 15-minute entry because that is where an entry showed up. It's on the 15-minute time frame. So it was still a Bob Anderson trade, but I just took it on a 15-minute time frame. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you all. It's just me experimenting. I'm only experimenting, just trying to gain more confluences with my strategies, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Hopefully, it may be able to give you all some ideas as you do your back testing to try to gain more influence, more context for your trading. So I just wanted to share that with you all. If you have any comments, let me know what you think. Feel free to do that. Feel free to contact me in the comments or in the Discord. Also, as you all know, Apex is still doing their sale. They went from an 80% sale to a 90% sale. So, I don't know if you need some new evaluations, definitely feel free to use my code. Let me know if you do so I can shout you out. But I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope everybody has a successful trading week as we start a new week. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.